The Canon EOS R9 is quickly becoming one of the most anticipated APS-C mirrorless cameras of the year, with leaks suggesting it could dramatically raise the bar for Canon's mid-range lineup. Early reports indicate that the EOS R9 may shoot 4K video at an impressive 120 frames per second without any crop, a feature that would be unprecedented in Canon's APS-C segment. For content creators, videographers, and photographers alike, this potential capability could make the R9 an extremely versatile tool, bridging the gap between professional video performance and high-end photography in a compact APS-C package. The camera is also rumored to outperform its predecessor, the EOS R7, in nearly every key metric, suggesting Canon is aiming for a true market-defining product rather than a modest incremental upgrade. From a design perspective, the Canon EOS R9 is expected to feel like a substantial step forward. Leaks indicate a hybrid construction combining magnesium alloy and polycarbonate, balancing durability with manageable weight. Reports suggest the grip has been redesigned to be deeper and more ergonomic than the R7, allowing for a comfortable hold during extended shooting sessions. Weather sealing equivalent to Canon's higher-end mirrorless bodies may also be part of the package, making the camera reliable for outdoor, professional use under challenging conditions. The EOS R9 is likely to feature a fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen, making it ideal for vlogging, creative shooting angles, and video monitoring. Additionally, the electronic viewfinder is expected to see an upgrade, with resolution rumored to reach 3.6 million dots or higher, providing an immersive and clear shooting experience. Dual memory card slots, featuring one SD-UHS-2 slot and one CF Express card slot, are heavily suggested by leaks, indicating that Canon is prioritizing professional workflow and data redundancy for serious shooters. Connectivity and workflow enhancements appear to be a major focus for the EOS R9. Leaks suggest that Canon is incorporating next-generation Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 technologies, enabling faster tethering, seamless remote control, and efficient file transfers. These improvements would not only make transferring large RAW files or video sequences quicker but also simplify collaborative shooting environments where immediate access to media is crucial. Photographers and videographers working on location or in hybrid production setups could benefit significantly from these enhancements, as they allow for greater flexibility and speed during shoots. At the heart of the Canon EOS R9, rumors point to a completely new stacked APS-C sensor, with a resolution likely between 32 and 40 megapixels. This represents a notable upgrade from the 32.5 megapixel sensor found in the R7. The stacked sensor design offers several advantages, most notably faster readout speeds, which reduce rolling shutter artifacts and allow for extremely high burst rates without compromising image integrity. Improvements in dynamic range and low-light performance are also expected, along with enhanced color reproduction thanks to the latest digic processor. Together, these updates could provide smoother tonal transitions, better highlight retention, and more accurate skin tones, giving photographers and videographers a tool capable of producing high-end imagery straight out of the camera. One of the most exciting anticipated features of the Canon EOS R9 is its autofocus system. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF, possibly in version 2 or even a new version 3 iteration, is expected to bring smarter subject recognition, improved face and eye tracking, and expanded detection for animals and vehicles. The autofocus coverage is rumored to span nearly the entire frame, allowing creative freedom when composing shots without worrying about missing focus. AI-powered learning algorithms may further enhance tracking, predicting subject movement with higher accuracy than previous models. These upgrades could make the R9 particularly effective for wildlife photography, sports, or fast-paced video production, where precise and reliable autofocus is critical. Image stabilization is another area where the EOS R9 could shine. Leaks suggest that the camera might offer up to 8 stops of shake correction when paired with lenses featuring optical image stabilization. For photographers who shoot handheld or in low-light conditions, this would be a transformative feature, reducing motion blur and allowing for sharper images without relying on tripods or bulky rigs. Video creators could similarly benefit, as smooth footage could be captured in run-and-gun scenarios without external gimbals, further enhancing portability and efficiency. The performance potential of the Canon EOS 9 South African Rand is significant. Thanks to the stacked sensor and updated digic processor, burst shooting is expected to reach speeds of up to 30 frames per second, with a buffer capable of sustaining these speeds without the slowdowns that challenge the R7. Video capabilities are even more compelling. 4K at 120 frames per second, possibly with no crop, would put the R9 ahead of nearly all APS-C competitors. Some leaks even hint at short-duration 8K recording, although thermal limitations may restrict prolonged capture. With features like Canon Log 3, 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, and full HDMI output for external recorders, the EOS R9 could appeal to video professionals seeking high-quality footage without the bulk of full-frame cinema cameras. Thermal management appears to be a priority in the R9's design. Canon is reportedly implementing passive heat dissipation strategies and refined firmware control to ensure reliable performance during extended shooting sessions. This attention to thermal stability would be particularly valuable for filmmakers capturing high frame rate video or photographers working in demanding conditions. Paired with high-capacity batteries and intelligent power distribution, these improvements could allow for long, uninterrupted shooting, whether on location, at events, or in remote wildlife scenarios. Audio functionality is another area where Canon seems to be upgrading the EOS R9. Rumors indicate support for dual XLR inputs via optional adapters, high-quality internal microphones, and professional monitoring capabilities. Such features would allow solo operators or small teams to capture broadcast-quality sound without external audio recorders, simplifying the workflow for interviews, vlogs, or live events. Coupled with AI-assisted features like autofocus tracking, face detection, and auto-framing, the EOS R9 could empower creators to focus entirely on storytelling instead of wrestling with technical adjustments. Lens compatibility is expected to be broad, with the R9 likely supporting Canon's extensive f and RF lens lineups. Photographers could choose from prime lenses for cinematic shallow depth of field effects or zoom lenses for run-and-gun and documentary-style shooting. This versatility, combined with the rumored sensor performance and in-body image stabilization, positions the Canon EOS R9 as a hybrid powerhouse capable of handling both high-resolution photography and advanced video production. For independent creators, YouTubers, and professional shooters, this adaptability could be a major selling point. The EOS R9 is poised to compete not only with other APS-C models like the Sony Alpha A6700 but also with hybrid and entry-level full-frame cameras such as the Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II. By offering high-end video and photography features in a compact form factor, Canon may be addressing a growing demand for professional quality cameras that are portable and practical. The combination of advanced autofocus, in-body stabilization, high-resolution video capture, and thoughtful ergonomics could give the R9 a competitive advantage in a market segment that increasingly values hybrid performance over specialization. If Canon delivers even a fraction of the rumored features successfully, the EOS R9 could redefine the APS-C mirrorless landscape. For creators seeking a camera that blends practicality, high-speed performance, cinematic video capabilities, and advanced photography tools, the EOS R9 could be the ultimate choice. It may well bridge the gap between entry-level APS-C cameras and professional full-frame systems, offering the best of both worlds. For photographers, vloggers, and hybrid shooters, the Canon EOS 9 South African Rand is shaping up to be a revolutionary tool that could dominate the market for years to come.